The shocking truth is this: over 80% of men after 50 lose their vitality not because of age, but because they've ignored one small spot on their body no bigger than a coin. A spot that can restore their full masculine strength in just 1 minute a day. Gentlemen, I know that sounds hard to believe, but it's real. I'm Dr. Laura, and for over 15 years, I've helped men just like you rebuild their confidence, energy, and natural performance, without pills, procedures, or awkward treatments. And what I'm about to share might be the most powerful discovery you'll ever make about your own body. Here's the truth: aging isn't what's holding you back. Poor circulation is. Over time, hours of sitting, chronic stress, and lack of flexibility cause the pelvic muscles, the ones that control blood flow and sensitivity, to tighten and restrict movement. Imagine a garden hose with a kink in it. The water is there, but it can't reach the flowers. That's exactly what happens inside your body when those deep muscles stay tense for years. Blood flow slows down. Nerves lose their edge. Responsiveness fades. And slowly you start believing that it's just part of getting older. But it's not. It's mechanical, not hormonal, not inevitable. Your body isn't broken. Simply blocked. Now imagine being able to reverse all of that with just 1 minute a day. No drugs, no risk, no embarrassment. The truth is, there's a pressure point in your lower pelvic area that acts like a master switch for circulation and energy. When gently massaged, it triggers a chain reaction. Blood vessels open, oxygen increases, and nerve activity wakes up. You're not forcing your body to perform, you're reminding it how to perform naturally again. I've seen men in their 50s, 60s, even 70s completely transform their health with this simple 1-minute habit. They wake up with stronger morning energy, sleep deeper, and regain a quiet sense of confidence they thought was gone forever. It's not about chasing youth, it's about restoring balance. So before you assume your best days are behind you, remember this: your body still remembers how to be strong. It just needs the right signal. And that's exactly what I'll show you in this video. Where that spot is, why it works, and how to use it safely at home. But before we dive in, I want you to take action right now. Hit like, subscribe, and comment below telling me where you're watching from. I love seeing how many men around the world are finally taking control of their health the natural way. Because what you're about to learn could become the most important minute of your day. The minute that helps you reclaim your energy, your confidence, and your masculinity. Stay with me, the real transformation starts now. Now that you understand the truth, let's talk about how to actually do this technique safely and effectively. The area we're focusing on is called the perineum, a small, soft space between your scrotum and your anus. It might not look important, but beneath that patch of skin lies a powerful network of blood vessels and nerves that control your prostate, bladder, and overall pelvic function. When this area becomes tight and neglected, blood flow weakens, nerves lose sensitivity, and your body begins to forget its natural rhythm. But when stimulated correctly, that same area can unlock your body's natural ability to heal, circulate, and perform again. Start with the right mindset. This isn't about pleasure. It's about recovery. You're not doing something strange. You're doing something smart. This is medical self-care, the kind of body awareness every man over 50 should practice. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Find a relaxed position. You can sit on the edge of a chair with your knees slightly apart, or lie down on your back with your knees bent. The goal is to relax the hips and lower muscles. Step 2. Locate the spot. Gently press your fingers into the soft area between the scrotum and anus. You'll notice it feels slightly more tender or responsive than the surrounding skin. That's the right place. Step 3. Apply gentle pressure. Use your index and middle fingers. Press with enough firmness to feel it, but not enough to cause discomfort. About the same pressure you'd use when checking if a tomato is ripe. Step 4. Begin the massage. Make slow circular motions for 30 seconds, then switch directions for another 30 seconds. You can also press for 5 seconds, release, and repeat. The key is rhythm, not force. Think of it as teaching your body how to relax again. Step 5. Use natural oils to enhance results. Choose oils that support circulation and healing. Castor oil improves blood flow and reduces inflammation. Coconut oil nourishes and protects sensitive skin while supporting hormonal balance. Black seed oil has been used for centuries to boost male vitality and ease muscular tension. Warm a small amount of oil between your hands before applying. The warmth itself activates circulation. Step 6. Timing matters. Do it once a day, either in the morning to energize your body or in the evening to relax and recover. 1 minute is enough. Don't overdo it. Consistency is more important than intensity. Within 1 to 2 weeks, many men start noticing subtle changes. Lighter hips, fewer nighttime interruptions, deeper sleep, and an overall sense of calm returning to the body. By the 3rd or 4th week, blood flow becomes stronger, sensitivity improves, and the body begins to respond naturally again. Remember, this isn't about forcing your body, it's about retraining it. When you do this daily, you're helping your body remember how to heal itself. The same system that once slowed down can learn to move freely again, and that's where true restoration begins. Most men believe that losing performance after 50 is just a normal part of aging. They accept it quietly or they reach for pills hoping for a quick fix. But here's the truth. You can't fix a mechanical problem with a chemical shortcut. Pills may push blood flow temporarily, but they don't teach your body how to perform again. Once the effect fades, you're back to the same frustration, sometimes even worse. That's why this 1-minute massage is so powerful. It doesn't fight your body, it works with your body. It retrains your muscles to release tension, restores elasticity in your blood vessels, and reawakens the nerves that control sensitivity and strength. Each time you do it, you're sending your system a reminder. Open, breathe, flow. And the more consistent you are, the more your body begins to remember its natural rhythm. Think of it like exercise. The first few times you might not notice much. But after a week or two, the changes start quietly. Deeper sleep, lighter hips, stronger energy in the morning, and a renewed sense of connection with your own body. By the 3rd week, the results often feel permanent because you're not forcing a reaction. You're building a foundation. To amplify your results, combine this technique with 2 simple habits. First, movement. After every meal, take a 10-minute walk. Movement keeps the small vessels in your pelvis flexible and trains your circulation to stay active. You don't need a gym, you just need to move. Second, deep breathing. After your 1-minute massage, sit quietly and take 5 slow breaths. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2, exhale through your mouth for 6. That gentle rhythm moves your diaphragm, massages your pelvic organs, and restores calm to your nervous system. When you bring these 3 together, the 1-minute massage, movement, and mindful breathing, you create a daily loop of recovery that your body recognizes instantly. Blood starts to flow more freely, hormones rebalance, and tension melts away. Confidence doesn't come from a bottle. It comes from feeling in control again. Gentlemen, your body isn't broken and your best days aren't behind you. They're waiting for you to show up, consistently, intentionally, 1 minute at a time. For the next 21 days, make this your new ritual. Just 1 minute a day to awaken your body, clear your circulation, and remind yourself that strength doesn't vanish with age. It hides under neglect. If this message gave you hope, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me, I'm ready. Then check the pinned comment for the complete step-by-step guide and the natural oil combinations I recommend to accelerate your results. Because the truth is simple. Your body doesn't need to be rescued, it needs to be remembered. 1 minute a day. That's all it takes to restore your vitality, your confidence, and your masculinity, naturally, the way it was always meant to be.